Alright team, we've been planning this operation for a while now. Ever since that alien creature invaded our little village, our peaceful rural way of life has been ruined. All we need to do is break into the mill and destroy the monster at its heart. If we can take out the mill, they can't crush those alien things into pigments, and without the pigments, all of this chaos will end. If we can just source a disguise and blend into the architecture and break in without being